In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the hostinger IP address for your domain DNS records. Whether you're setting up a new website or troubleshooting an existing one, knowing how to locate your server's IP address is crucial. Let's walk through the process to make it as seamless as possible. First, let's understand what we're dealing with. When talking about DNS records, the type known as A records is particularly important. The A stands for address, and these records are employed to point a domain or subdomain to an IP address. In most cases, this IP address is linked to your hosting server. Although there are two kinds of IP addresses, IPv4 and IPv6, our focus today will be on the more commonly used IPv4 addresses, which is what A records point to. Now, to identify your current IP address in Hostinger, you'll need to start by accessing your account. Head over to the Hostinger dashboard, the heart of your website's management. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Websites. Click on it to navigate to the next stage of our journey, the dashboard page specific to your website management. Next, scan the sidebar for an option called Plan Details. Clicking on this will provide you with a more detailed view of your hosting plan's specifics. This subsection is crucial because it holds the key, your IP address. As you click through, the IP should be readily displayed under the website details. It's a straightforward display aimed at minimizing additional clicks or confusion. But here's an important note. Modifying your DNS records in any way initiates what is known as DNS propagation. This is the time needed for changes to be reflected across the web. Think of it as the internet updating its directory listings to ensure everyone has the latest information about your site. Typically, DNS propagation can take up to 24 hours to fully complete, so a bit of patience might be required while these updates are ongoing. Keep this in mind if after making changes, your website doesn't appear to update immediately. Delays are part of the process, but rest assured they're entirely normal. With that said, your website should be up and running with the correct IP settings as soon as this propagation is finished. And there you have it, a simple guide to finding the Hostinger IP address for your domain DNS records. By understanding these steps and executing them with confidence, you're ensuring your website functions smoothly and remains accessible. Remember, keeping an eye on your DNS settings is just as important as every other aspect of website management. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Until next time.